Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the features of the MACOPRO Folding Utility Cart, a versatile and portable rolling crate designed to make your life easier. This innovative handcart boasts a four-wheel rotating design with detachable 360 degrees noiseless wheels, allowing for smooth and agile maneuvering, while the rear wheels come with brake buttons for added stability when stationary. Crafted from high-strength, environmentally friendly polypropylene and featuring a rust-resistant aluminum alloy handle, this cart is built to last and can handle up to 110 pounds of load. Its foldable design makes it incredibly convenient for storage, collapsing down to a compact size that can easily fit in a backpack or handbag. The cart's aesthetic box appearance, along with its extendable handle and detachable cover, provides practical solutions for transporting everything from groceries to office supplies. Easy to assemble in just 1 minute, this stylish hand truck also doubles as a seat or step stool when the cover is on, offering additional versatility for various occasions like travel, shopping, or moving. If you have any questions, remember that customer support is just a message away, ensuring you get the most out of your MACOPRO experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.